Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing. So from your Snapchat, go on your chats and just choose any of your contacts for you to see and try taking a screenshot without them knowing. So for example, this one, as you can see, since we are now recording, you'll be able to see that notification that you screen recorded chat. So it means that person and you will be able to know that you are recording. So let's try to take a screenshot here without that person knowing by doing this one. So let's just try this and take a snap and send this, and we will try to screenshot that one. And let's proceed to this page where we need to turn on our airplane mode and then try to take a screenshot, and then you'll be able to see there the notification or that you took a screenshot of chat. So we need to go back to the main chat page in order for us to delete that one. So long press the person or and then go to the chat settings, and the option that we have here is only this one, hide chats or keep chats. So I'm going to choose this hide chats after viewing. So let's just try to tap on it and then refresh this one, refresh this page. And now let's turn off the airplane mode and go back to our Snapchat app and try to open the chat that you have just opened previously. And then, as you can see, there's no longer that information that you took a screenshot as a snap. So that's how it goes. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.